there, we didn't see you. Welcome to our nature guide. We are your nature guides. We're here to help you enjoy nature. Nature is best enjoyed outside. Tip number 1, chase birds. Where's the birds? Tip number 2, find birds. Tip number 3, stick together, preferably 6 feet apart. Sticks make really good walking sticks.
Tip number 4, jump in some leaves.
What tip are we on? 5? Tip 5, climb a tree. What do we say?
Tip number 6, look at rocks.
Is this cumulonimbus?
Tip number 7, look at clouds and teach your friends about them.
So that's cumulonimbus.
Yes. Now you know.
Clearly we're unqualified for this, but you can enjoy nature however you want.
Tip number 8, walk into the sunset, even if it doesn't exist.